Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben, and the cryptocurrency charts are moving. We have a lot of volatility at the moment in the market, and I wanted to take you through the HBAR chart today. HBAR is starting to turn around, might be working on the next 5-wave move to the upside, so we'll take a look at the chart. Let's go. We are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register completely for free. The link is in the video description, and then you can get access to all of these Elliott wave updates here. Today, I will take you through the cryptocurrencies section here. We'll take a look at the Hedera hash graph chart, and I would say we'll start on the weekly time frame. On the weekly chart, we can see that the market is starting to push higher. It's been a while since we've looked at that. The idea is that wave 2 bottomed end of 2024, and we're now moving higher in this third wave rally. Now, the idea is that we have bottomed in this wave 2, and the third wave should take us kind of medium to long term towards that $1.21 plus area. This is preferred with a probability of 67%. Now, in an alternative scenario, the current rally would only be seen as a B wave, but this would be the alternative perspective. In the preferred interpretation, we're currently moving up here in a third wave, but alternatively 33% probability this is a B wave bounce with a C wave down to come. Now, important is just to understand that it takes a break above 72 cents to basically unlock those prices in the region of $1.20 plus, and it's like a barrier, like a resistance level that needs to be broken, which is relevant for this high B wave. So it basically means that if we get a break above it, it is too high for that B wave, and the market can push higher more directly. And we can start to rule out that high B wave. At the moment, while it is not the preferred interpretation, it still holds some weight, that thesis there, or that interpretation, that alternative scenario. Now, if that B wave plays out, then all it means is that this wave 2 that presumably bottomed in 2024 is extending. I would say let's also take a look at the HBAR chart on the 4-hour time frame, because here you can see that at the 12-cent level, this was the April low. The market might indeed have formed the low in this wave 2, and the preferred interpretation is now that here on the smaller time frame, we've already started the next move to the upside, that an internal wave 2 bottomed there in April. We're now moving up in a larger degree third wave. That third wave should be a 5-wave pattern, that as you can see here. But what you see here is only the first wave of that larger degree third wave. And okay, we could say if the market breaks below 12 cents, then the wave 2 that presumably bottomed in April is simply extending. We only see that with a 34% likelihood, so it's not the preferred interpretation. And please note that the rally from the low is only in 3 waves. It's quite fragile at the moment. But once we have the next 5-wave move up completed in beige wave 1, but we need all 5 waves completed. Once we have these completed, we can add the next trading area for a subsequent corrective pullback, which would then be labeled wave 2. So that means in this current move to the upside, to keep this idea alive, ideally the price stays above this blue wave 2 low, but the absolute invalidation point is the 12-cent level, because any break below it would just completely invalidate any progress that has been made, and then obviously will mean that this let's say this the idea that a third wave rally is unfolding, it will just be invalidated. It would be a rule break. So that's the key level that keeps us safe. So for now, the focus is on that ongoing internal third wave. Now, this beige wave 1 is a 5-wave pattern. It is being tracked as an upside impulse. And the next evidence or piece of evidence that really we have bottomed there in April is that 5-wave move to the upside. After 5 waves, we should get a corrective pullback, which should then set the stage for maybe even a third of a third wave rally to the upside, which would be a very, very aggressive rally, but it will likely not last very long. But when we have these third wave rallies in crypto, as you might see here, that happened in 2024, right? This third wave, something similar. This might just last a few weeks and that's it, because you often get these rallies and then consolidation and maybe another move up, but these movements in the trend direction, they happen very, very quickly. And the corrections that happen afterwards, they test our patience. So just be ready for that. We'll obviously keep you updated here on the website and on YouTube. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on the website. You can do that completely for free, and there you get additional updates. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrency you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.